Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. This is the last day of our 5 days of Christmas that I'm participating in with Beth Ramsden. And this is my 5 golden rings. This is a midi-size Blythe. I made her little clown suit. Actually, I redid some shoes from her for a cheap little Dollar General doll. And Darren printed the 5 golden rings that she's juggling in her little Christmas clown suit. I'll tell you what, the hardest one was something to come up for was the 5 golden rings. But here you go. That's what we have for ours. I cannot wait to see what Beth has. Silly me, I forgot to show you this yesterday. I do indeed have 2, 3, 4 snaps to hold this. And of all the things I forgot to show yesterday in the video, there you go, 4 snaps to hold it. I need to get that tape in there. Once again, I'm going to thank Beth Ramsden. I had so much fun with this. I love what you have done all week. I am looking forward to coming over and seeing your 5 golden rings. We did something we hope is a little bit different. Okay, so wrapping it up, we have the 1 crochet hook, 2 knitting needles, 3 inches of fabric, 4 snaps to hold it, and 5 golden rings. We hope you have had fun watching these videos. We sure had fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.